Alex Martinez, a young entrepreneur with a passion for technology, stands on the rooftop of his office building, looking at the digital landscape spread before him. The city is alive with possibilities, and he feels the excitement of opportunity in the air.
The digital world is like an uncharted sea, and I am ready to set sail.
He muses to himself. Chen, a digital marketing strategist known for her innovative ideas, stands at the head of the table. Her eyes shine with enthusiasm as she presents a new campaign concept.
We need to think outside the box and reach our audience in a way that resonates with them personally,
she declares, gesturing toward a digital presentation displayed on the wall. The team nods, inspired by her vision. Alex and Emma sit at a corner table, laptops open and notebooks scattered around. They are deep in discussion, mapping out the steps needed to launch their campaign.
We need to focus on creating engaging content that tells a story,
Alex suggests, scribbling ideas in his notebook. Emma nods in agreement.
and leverage social media platforms to amplify our message,
she adds, her fingers tapping rapidly on her keyboard. Alex and Emma sit side by side, their screens displaying a whirlwind of graphics, analytics, and social media feeds. They coordinate with influencers and interact with their audience in real time.
Our reach is expanding faster than I anticipated,
Alex remarks, his eyes glued to the analytics dashboard.
That's the power of a well-crafted digital strategy.
Emma responds, her voice filled with satisfaction. Alex and Emma take a break from their hectic schedules, sitting on a bench and watching the world go by. They reflect on their journey, from idea inception to successful execution.
We've learned so much along the way,
Alex says, a sense of accomplishment in his voice.
And there's still so much more to explore in the world of digital marketing,
Emma adds, her eyes filled with future possibilities. Alex stands once again on the rooftop, his heart filled with anticipation for what lies ahead. The world is interconnected, and the digital frontier is limitless.
This is just the beginning,
He whispers to the night, ready to dive deeper into the exciting world of digital marketing.